Hi there, U.S. government students. Mr. Kerr here as we get into week 15, which will be the last week of content in Unit 3. Also be the last week of content for this semester. And we're going to talk a little bit more about foreign policy, specifically about torture, and look at a couple of articles about what is and defines torture and where the line is as we should define it within our country and our government and our military. So that will be the first assignment. The second one we're calling Coming to America, and this will be an assignment about people who become a naturalized citizen. So before we get started, as always, if you please go through your grade book, look at the feedback that I have given you from previous assignments, see if you have anything missing, and make sure you are all caught up. If you have any questions about the class, start here in the Start Here folder, of course. All sorts of questions can be answered. All sorts of answers can be questioned in there. So Unit 3, and we're in Week 15, Foreign Policy and U.S. Citizenship. Go through, start with the torture question. This first page has all the readings that you'll need. This is where you turn in the assignment, and then you'll get to this assignment, Becoming a Naturalized U.S. Citizen. Very interesting assignment, and just go through and read it. What you will be doing is you will take the actual test that people who move to our country and want to become a citizen have to take in order to become a citizen. And so since this is a U.S. government class, this is the sort of class that people who want to become naturalized U.S. citizens would have to take. So I thought it would be a good idea for you to take it as well and look at the process. You'll look through the process, what we call the naturalization process, from the amount of money people have to spend to the timelines to the actual test, other forms and things. So you'll look through all of that. You'll take the test, and then this discussion board is answering these questions. There are 6 questions here. I don't expect you to answer all 6 of them, but try and write 1 to 2 complete paragraphs that address at least half of these questions, at least 3 or 4 of them. And then, of course, reply to at least 2 of your classmates. Please be sure to use evidence in your post and replies, including quotes and or examples from the USCIS website or other readings and assignments from the semester. So this is one where looking back through the semester might be a great idea. Now, as I mentioned, wrapping up here, week 16 will be our last official week. We'll be doing a Unit 3 final similar to the Unit 1 or Unit 2 finals. That will be opened up next Monday, and then do the following week. And then just to kind of get you ready, that the very last week, which would sort of be week 17, will be what we'll consider finals week. We'll give you a little bit more than a week to work on this last final. We'll go through the discussion board where you'll post your introductory paragraph, and then your 3 body paragraphs, and then turn the final. So any of that's coming up. So please make sure this is a semester class. Your grade at semester is going to be your final grade. So please make sure you get everything turned in. Your grade is where you want it, and you do your best work possible and get everything in. So let me know if you have any questions. I will talk to you soon. Thanks. Bye.